Good morning, students. Welcome to our politics class. We are going to continue the chapter Understanding Our Criminal Justice System, Part 2. In the last class, we have discussed about a fictional story or Shanti's case. We can see that the four key players in the Shanti's case or criminal justice system. What are they? The police, the public prosecutor, defense lawyer, and the judge. Now let us discuss about next topics. What is the role of the police in investigating a crime? What is the role of the public prosecutor? What is the role of the judge? What is a fair trial? What is the role of the police in investigating a crime? An inquiry includes according statements of witness and collecting different kinds of evidence or proof. Criminal justice system are the police, the public prosecutor, defense lawyer, and the judge. The police is to study any complaint about the commission of a crime. An investigation includes recording statements of witness and collecting different kinds of proof or evidence. The basis of the inquiry, the police are necessary to form a view. The rule of law, which means that everyone is topic to the law of the land. So, police investigation conducted in accordance with law and with full respect for human rights. The Supreme Court has laid down that the police must follow at the time of arrest, custody, and questioning. The police are not allowed to torture or beat or shoot anyone during investigation. They cannot inflict any form of penalty or punishment on a person even for petty offences. Fundamental rights. Article 22 of the Constitution and criminal law guarantee to every arrested person the following fundamental rights are: the right to be informed at the time of arrest of the offence for which the person is being arrested, the right to be presented before a magistrate within 24 hours of arrest, the right not to be ill-treated or tortured during arrest or in custody. Confessions made in police custody cannot be used as evidence against the accused. A boy under 15 years of age and women cannot be called to the police station only for questioning. So, the Supreme Court of India has laid down specific requirements and procedures that the police and other agencies have to follow for the arrest, detention, and interrogation of any person. These are known as the D.K. Basu guidelines. Few guidelines like the police official who carry out the arrest. A memo of arrest should be prepared at the time of arrest and should include the time and date of arrest. It should also be arrested by at least one witness who could include a family member of the person arrested. Okay, that member should be countersigned by the person arrested. Okay, the person arrested, detained, or being interrogated has a right to inform a relative, friend, or well-wisher. Okay, when a friend or relative lives outside the district at the time, place of arrest and venue of custody must be notified by the police within 8 to 12 hours after arrest. Okay, that decide outside the district, then police who has been notified. Okay, what is FIR? First Information Report. It is with the registration of an FIR that the police can begin their investigations into a crime. The law states that it is compulsory for an officer in charge of a police station to register an FIR whenever a person gives information about a cognizable offence. That means offence for which the police may arrest a person without the permission of the court. That is cognizable offence. Okay. This information can be given to the police either orally or in writing. The FIR usually mentions The date, time, and place of the offense details the basic facts of the offense, including a description of the events, explanation of the events. Okay. If known, the identity of the accused persons and witness is also mentioned. Let's see FIR. The FIR also states the name and address of the complainant. There is a prescribed form in which the police registers an FIR and it is signed by the complainant. Okay. The complainant also has a legal right to get a free copy of the FIR from the police. Okay. Who filed the FIR? Can you say who filed the FIR? An FIR is a written document that is filed by the police. Okay, a police officer who comes to know about a cognizable offense can file an FIR himself or herself. Okay. Dear students, next topics we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.